The first video will be about addition. We will take all types of addition. First, addition of one-digit numbers. Second, addition of two-digit numbers. Third, addition of three-digit numbers. Fourth, addition of different number of digits numbers. Fifth, addition of decimal numbers. Sixth, addition of a decimal to a whole number. Seventh, addition of fractions with same denominator. Eighth, addition of fraction with different denominators. Ninth, addition of a fraction to a whole number. And 10th, addition of expressions. The first we have adding two numbers addition. With one digit. We will take like all types 1 of addition. Plus 5. First, we count on our fingers after the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another example of adding two numbers with one digit is 7 plus 3. Count after the 7, 8, 9, 10. Second, we have adding two numbers with two digits, like 12 plus 35. First of all, we write them one under the other. 12 up and 35 under it. And then we add from the right. 2 plus 5 equals 7. 1 plus 3 equals 4. The answer is 47. Another example of adding two numbers with two digits is 56 plus 35. First, we write them one below the other and we start adding from the right. 6 plus 5 equals 11. We write 1 and carry the other one upwards to add it to the 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. Then the answer is 91. Third, we have adding two numbers with three digits, like 508 plus 195. First, we write them under each other and we start to add from the right. 8 plus 5 equals 13. We write the 3 down and carry the 1 up. 1 plus 0 equals 1. 1 plus 9 equals 10. We write the 0 down and carry the 1 up. 1 plus 5 equals 6. 6 plus 1 equals 7. Then the answer is 703. Another example of adding two numbers with three digits is 968 plus 295. First, we write them under each other and we start, as always, from the right. 8 plus 5 equals 13. 3 down and carry the 1 up. 1 plus 6 equals 7. 7 plus 9 equals 16. We write the 6 down and carry the 1 up. 1 plus 9 equals 10. 10 plus 2 equals 12. Then we write the 12 down. The final answer is 1263. 1263. Fourth, we have adding two numbers with different number of digits, like 3456, which has 4 digits, plus 984, which has 3 digits. We write them below each other. The 4 is below the 6, 8 below the 5, and 9 below the 4 because we always start from the right. Then we start adding. 6 plus 4 equals 10. 0 down and carry the 1 up. 1 plus 5 equals 6. 6 plus 8 equals 14. 4 down and carry the 1 up. 1 plus 4 equals 5. 5 plus 9 equals 14. 4 down and carry the 1 up. 1 plus 3 equal 4. The final answer is 4440. Another example of adding two numbers with different number of digits is 258, which has 3 digits, plus 79, which has 2 digits. We write them under each other. From the right, the 9 is under the 8 and the 7 is under the 5. And then we start adding. 8 plus 9 equals 17. 7 down and carry the 1 up. 1 plus 5 equals 6. 6 plus 7 equals 13. 3 down and carry the 1 up. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Then the final answer is 337. Another example of adding two numbers with different number of digits, like 301, which has 3 digits, plus 9, which is only 1 digit. We write the 9 under the last digit because we always start from the right. So 9 plus 1 is 10. 0 and carry 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. We write the 1 down. And the 3, nothing under it, so we write it down. The final answer is 300. Fifth, we have adding two decimal numbers, like 1.5 plus 2.3. We write them under each other and make sure at first that the point is under the point. 5 plus 3 equal 8. Then the point comes down. 1 plus 2 equal 3. The final answer is 3.8. Another example of adding two decimal numbers is 1.25 plus 2.3. First, we write them under each other and make sure that the point is under the point. So the 2 comes below the 1 and the 3 comes below the 2. We start adding from the right. 5, nothing under it, comes down as 5. 2 plus 3 is 5. The point comes down. 1 plus 2 is 3. So the final answer is 3.55. Sixth, we have adding a decimal number to a whole number, like 1.25 plus 2. We cannot add them until we change the 2 into a decimal number. To change it, we add 0.0, so it becomes 2.0. Then we put them under each other, the point under the point, so the 2 comes under the 1 and the 0 comes under the 2. We start adding from the right. 5, nothing under it, comes down as 5. 2 plus 0 equal 2. The point comes down. 1 plus 2 is 3. The final answer is 3.25. Another example of adding a decimal number to a whole number is 3.5 plus 28. First, we change the 28 into a decimal number by adding 0.0 to it. Then we put them under each other. First the point under the point, so the 8 becomes under the 3 and the 0 becomes under the 5. Then we start adding from the right. 5 plus 0 is 5. The point comes down. 3 plus 8, after the 8, 9, 10, 11, 1 and carry 1. 1 plus 2 equal 3. The answer is 31.5. 7. We have adding fractions with same denominator, like 1 over 7 plus 2 over 7. We notice that the denominator is the same in both numbers. So we add the numerators. 1 plus 2 equal 3 and put it over 7. The answer is 3 over 7. Another example of adding fractions with same denominator is 12 over 17 plus 2 over 17 plus 1 over 17. We notice that the denominator is the same in the three numbers, so we add the numerators. 12 plus 2 equal 14 plus 1 equal 15 over 17. 8, we have adding fractions with different denominators, like 1 over 2 plus 3 over 4. The two denominators are not the same. 2 is not the same as 4, so we must convert the 2 to be 4 by multiplying it by 2, but we must do this for the whole fraction. So 1 times 2 equal 2, 2 times 2 equal 4. The new fraction is 2 over 4. We added to the 3 over 4, same denominators, so we can add the numerators. 2 plus 3 equal 5 over 4. Another example of adding fractions with different denominators is 1 over 2 plus 2 over 3. The two denominators are not the same, and we cannot convert one to the other, so we must change them both by cross multiplication. We multiply the first fraction by 3 and the second fraction by 2. The first fraction multiplied by 3 will be 3 over 6. The second fraction will be, after multiplying it by 2, 4 over 6. Now they both have the same denominator, so we can add them. The answer is 7 over 6. 9th, we have adding a fraction to a whole number, like 1 over 2 plus 3. First, we change the whole number into a fraction by putting it over 1. Then we unify the denominator. The 1 can be changed to 2 by multiplying it by 2. So we multiply the whole fraction by 2. Now we add. The first number remain as it is, 1 over 2, plus the second number is changed after multiplying it by 2 to 6 over 2. Then we add them. 6 plus 1 equals 7. The answer is 7 over 2. 10th, we have adding expressions like 2x plus 5x. Both have the same letter x. Then they could be added. 2 plus 5 equals 7. Then the answer is 7x. 9a plus 3a. Both have the same letter a. The answer is 12a. 6b plus 2a. They don't have the same letters. They are not like terms. They cannot be added. The answer is 6b plus 2a. Another example of adding expressions is 2x plus 7 plus 5y plus 3x plus y plus 2. First, we look for the like terms that have the same letters and add them, like 2x plus 3x equal 5x. Then we look for the y. We have 5y plus y. Y means 1y. 5 plus 1 equal 6y. So we write down plus 6y. Then we look for the last like terms. 7 plus 2. Both are numbers without letters. We add them. 7 plus 2 equal 9. So we write plus 9. The final answer is 5x plus 6y plus